Hi, this is Wayne from Inkish, and we're here at Printing United Expo in sunny Orlando. I now have the pleasure of talking to Ken Hanulek from EFI.
Hey,
Ken,
Wayne, thanks for
really
coming.
good to see you.
Good to see you again.
So we're almost through the second day. How's it been for you so far?
Yeah, we love Printing United. Great community of people. It's been super busy at day
Yeah.
one and halfway through day two, and just excited to be here.
Yeah, I mean the show, from talking to people, the show has been superb. The numbers haven't been released yet, but I'm guessing it's going to be a lot more than it was at Vegas. Are you thinking that?
It certainly feels like there's more traffic at this show, and a lot of people came out, and especially across, literally across the Americas. So I saw people from Latin America, Canada, and a lot more people from the West Coast than I had anticipated.
Right, yeah. Yeah, I was just saying to somebody earlier, I wonder whether that'll be sustainable when it moves back to Vegas, whether that's an Orlando thing or whether it's a Vegas thing. I don't know.
You never
It
know.
remains to
You
be
never
seen,
know till
doesn't it?
showtime, right?
Well, exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. So you've got an amazing stand here. You've got
thank you.
a massive range of kit here.
Yeah.
But I'm guessing really when you're talking to PSPs, you're really looking for application-based conversations. Is that how it's panning out?
Absolutely. So as you know, EFI focuses on three core vertical markets: the sign and display market, the packaging market, as well as the industrial textile market.
Right.
And really all of our printers are designed to do, two or three things. And it's one about maximizing productivity, efficiency, and really driving the lowest cost per square foot or square meter.
Right.
And then the other is enabling new applications. So
Right.
things like clear ink, new multi-layer technologies,
Right.
printing on different substrates, et cetera,
Yeah.
and all drive greater profitability for our PSPs.
Right. So the range, I mean, I was having a look. I mean, the range of substrates that you can actually print on is quite amazing. From direct to fabric, I guess, up to heavy boards.
Yeah, what I tell people, and engineers sometimes get a little bit nervous, but we can print on just about anything.
Right, okay.
The caveats, 5 centimeters thick or 2 inches. And inkjet printing is such a wonderful, scalable technology as long as it's contactless, right?
Right, yeah.
If I can keep that substrate, whether it's paper, film, plastic, metal, glass, wood, as long as two things don't touch, I can shoot ink onto it and make a beautiful image.
Right. Okay. So where is your sweet spot at the moment then? Because you got quite a range of machines. Is there a sweet spot for EFI at the moment?
I like to tell people I love all the children. We've got over 40 printers commercially available across those three vertical markets. On the EFI stand, we're showing a few different technologies, hybrid print technology, dedicated roll-to-roll technology.
Right.
We've got three partners that are showing printers here, which is dedicated flatbed, smaller hybrid printer, and a dedicated roll-to-roll printer. So it's really the breadth of the portfolio that answers questions for our customers. What are they trying to do? What are their capacity needs and productivity needs?
Right.
And then we've got a printer for them.
Okay. And I noticed you also partner with Fiery, so that deals with all your front end stuff.
Yeah, we partner with Fiery. We've been, as you know, we were once one company,
Yeah.
and it's changed a bit, but they still represent 99% of our digital front end sales, and
Right.
we're great partners, and we're so appreciative for their technology.
Yeah. I mean, obviously, automation is a very big word in the print industry at the moment. So do you do an awful lot of integration with other software?
Yeah, we have. When we mention automation, we like to think of it in two terms. Where there's software-based automation and driving efficiencies via workflows, but there's also very sophisticated now hardware-based automation.
Right.
We talk about our packaging solution, Nozomi, that's capable to produce 1,000 boards an hour. You need
Right.
automation to satisfy that need. There's also a wonderful new technology called EFI Insight. It's a cloud-based analytics tool.
Right.
We take data real-time from that Nozomi printer, pump it up to the cloud, and we turn that data into business intelligence. Allows them to drive greater efficiency, improve
Right.
profitability,
Okay.
do some preventative maintenance. So just getting started with that technology, but it's going to be very, very powerful and really,
Right.
again, help our customers do one of those two core things: lower their costs or drive greater efficiency.
Right. Okay. And robotics, I guess that's something that you're involved with.
Yeah, we've got all sorts of automation programs at the moment. We don't have a commercially available solution at this point in time, but certainly something that we're working on.
Yeah. Well, as I say, I mean, I'm really impressed with it. I didn't quite realise how many machines were part of the portfolio, but yeah. So if you're looking for people to come to you with a problem, I guess.
Yeah.
Come to you, sit down, and work it through.
We've got a wonderful direct and indirect sales team, and we're all about satisfying problems or needs for customers. And we have such a broad portfolio. I'm highly confident we can do that.
Right. Well, Ken, it's been an absolute
Wayne,
pleasure talking to you.
Great to see you again.
I mean, we got a day and a bit to go. I'm sure all the machines will be sold by the time you leave.
That's always the plan.
Enjoy the show. Thank you
so much.
Thank you.